Hello dear ladies, I hope you are doing well. We want to continue our previous lesson and session about crochet on fabric. I told you start it from here and continue this line till the end, okay? Now we should repeat it again next to this line, and 2 times we should do that. Here you should, when you arrive here, you should come back again. So imagine this is the last one, okay, the last chain. Go down, bring it up and come back. You should do that, so you see, and come back next it and again start it to the first. You see, you should come back this line from the end to the first. خانمای عزیز، وقتی که به آخر اینجا رسیدید، نخو به سمت، یعنی همون مسیری که اومدی رو دوباره برمیگردید. همین، هیچ کار خاصی قرار نیست بکنید. زنجیره آخر رو فقط سفت میکنید، گره اینا نمیخواد پشتش بزنید و فقط همین رو برگردید دوباره عقب. دقیقاً چسبیده به خط قبلی اینو میپیسید، اینو همینطور برمیگردید میرید تا انتها. میبینید؟ I want to show you again what we do under the fabric. When the hook comes down, one time you should do this and bring it up, okay? And continue this. Look at here, bring it up. It's just chain. This one or this one, you see, I finished around that design with this, and after that you should make them, okay? Now I want to tell you how to make this. When you finished it, I mean around, when you finish the around, after that you should use this green for other things. وقتی که خانم‌ها دور تا دورش رو تمام کردید، میریم سراغ ساقه و برگ و این داستانا. Down look at the behind. Do this. Bring it up. Go down. Do this. Bring it up. Again. Now, when you finish this, what should you do here? For example, here it finishes. Okay, you should leave it and go behind, and here take it and bring it back. You see, bring it back and make this circle bigger and pass the silk inside of it. Okay, it's not necessary you cut it, it can be this behind. Okay, and continue the next. For example, here we should make it green. Okay, it's not necessary you cut here, you make a knot here, and after that start from here and continue this line.